a gym reset. As I said, we're showing up regardless. Rough it, rough it, rough it. Every movement hurts, man. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, a couple of you are very new here. I am currently at 508 subscribers. Welcome to all those who have just subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. Today we're getting into some stuff. If you want to see what we get into, please stick around.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am
Rough. I'm looking very rough. We're overdue for maintenance, but maintenance is not right now, okay? So today's video is going to be a gym reset. What is a gym reset, Shiv? So I have not been to the gym since maybe October or so of last year, officially starting back at the gym today. So this week I'll be showing you guys what it's like for me at gym, what my gym is like, what the routines are like, because my gym is not any regular gym. My gym is a boot camp type of gym. So we'll be doing boot camp trainings. We'll be doing things that are very rigorous, okay? We'll be putting in the work and I love it. I really want to focus on creating more intentional videos, more intentional vlogs, things that can help other people. I don't want to just create showing you guys what my life looks like. I want to create with you guys in mind that if you don't have knowledge of something, maybe you can get the knowledge here. And if if you don't have the knowledge, I can help to give you that knowledge. So that is my aim for my channel and what we'll be doing over here. So here is the fit of the day. Shein, shiny man. Okay, so that's what we're wearing. I like these leggings because I'm covered. I don't like to show a lot of skin. If I'm showing a little up top, I don't like to show a little down bottom. If I'm showing anything down bottom, I don't like to show up top. So minimal amount of skin showing, right? That's me. That's my motto. That's how I work. So yeah. Can I go home? Oh my god, my legs. My legs. guys, I just finished everything entirely at the shop. I am hungry. Have you ever been like hungry after a workout? I'm hungry. Like I coulda eat some chicken salad right now. Like I coulda make right now some chicken salad. Some insights about the gym that I go to, right? The gym is called Bad People Fitness. The gym is $3,000 for the week. For the week, you're doing Monday to Thursday. I think you can do Friday as well if you want. And they also do Saturday morning. It's boot camp style, as you guys can see. I didn't really get to show you guys much, but it's boot camp style. Hopefully tomorrow I can be a bit more early to show you guys what the boot camp really look like. But them time there more people are gonna be there. What I love about it is that they're very hands-on. So I've been there a couple times. Well, so everybody knows me by name, especially the trainers, and they're very hands-on. And if you have a weakness, if you have a struggle, they are going to help you with your struggle. They're going to find modifications for you. They're going to help you to, you know, fight your way through it until you get where you need to get. When I tell you guys I do not feel like it, I do not feel like it. But as I said, we're showing up regardless of how we feel, because sometimes you don't feel like doing something and then you go do it and it's the best feeling after you do it. So it's now 5 o'clock. I'm getting some island grill. I gotta eat that and then head straight to gym. My head is hurting also, really bad headache. There's this weird guy walking around. Sorry guys, I didn't even know you guys were tracking me. There's this guy walking around and he's just weirding me out. But yeah, don't do it. Do it even when you don't want to do it. Okay? Do it even when you don't want to do it, because content creation, if I had paid attention to the fact that, oh, I'm not making money and I'm not making views off of content creating, if doing YouTube, then I wouldn't bother do it. But I'm doing it because I genuinely love content creation and I genuinely love making videos. Today is going to be upper body. Tomorrow is going to be, what do you call that? Something there with them dance and I don't remember what you call that. Tomorrow's gonna be that. Then Thursday is gonna be legs again. And then also within the routines, abs are done within the routine as well. Rough it. I can't do no form of running because my legs are hurting. listen, today's workout, it was good. It was good. You remember how I told you? Go no matter what you're feeling. Do no matter what you're feeling. Do no matter what you're feeling. You hear me? Do no matter what you're feeling. I went to gym. As you guys saw, we bought the Island Grill. Ate the Island Grill. Still felt hungry. Went to gym. Still felt hungry. I remember a trainer said to hubby and I that if I still feel low in energy, eat 2 bananas. And you see, every time if I go to gym and I didn't get something to eat, I just eat 2 bananas. And that 2 banana is going to help me to go through my workout session. So, a little tip. If you're low in energy when you go to the gym, just take 2 bananas. Just eat 2 bananas and you're good. You can pull through your workout session. Hey guys, today is day 3. Hold on. Empress, me have to pause it a little bit, babes. Now watch Empress vlog. Guys, listen, today I did not make it to gym. Why, Chevelle? Why? 1, today's aerobics day. I can't do aerobics, especially with my legs hurting from just starting. I cannot do aerobics. 2, the girl started. Okay, the girl has started. But when I tell you, I can barely even move my body. Every movement hurts. My hands hurt, my legs hurt. Like I am in excruciating pain. Okay, so I didn't get to do that, but I did some stretches earlier. I didn't take you guys along with me doing that because I don't want to be repetitive and I don't want you guys to feel like wait. I'm trying to sit down. Oh god. Yeah. So I didn't take you guys along with me because I didn't want you guys to feel like I was being repetitive. So yeah. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is leg day. So I have to prepare myself mentally for that. And one of the things I'm doing different this year is I'm pushing myself. I'm pushing myself beyond my own limits because the brain can tell you that no, you can't do it, but you really can. Sometimes we just need to not listen to the brain. Yeah, but hey guys, what else? But yeah, I was just coming to update you guys. I haven't talked to you guys from morning. I've been working and I've been resting. So I just took the time out today and just laid it down. Alright guys, so we are getting ready for gym now. It is a Thursday. It is currently 4:42. Hoping that I can reach gym for like 5 o'clock. But yeah, still in pain, still not feeling so great. I could really take some rest, but we're going to push through. Okay, we're not gonna make Mother Nature and pain stop us from fulfilling the journey. So yeah, see you guys at gym.
The more you take it up, the more you practice going down so yeah, come catch me.
So I wanted to leave this part in this video because I wanted you guys to see the real raw truth of the struggles that I had to face with gym. So I could barely move my legs. My legs were stiff, they were tight, barely could move. Over the weekend, I fell maybe a couple times due to the fact that I could barely raise my legs. So it's been a struggle, right? It's been a real hard struggle. And here, as you guys can see, he made so many modifications for me to see how I can finish this workout. But this workout could not be finished, okay? I had to call it a day, call it a night, and just head home. But at least I went and I did something and I got it done. Guys, I can't complete no workout. My legs are tight. They are tight. So tonight, I did not get to do much of a workout. Tonight, I literally, I did one workout completely. Yeah, one workout completely. Listen, give me a rest. Let me rest and come back next week. So I was able to show you guys what my full week, almost full week of gym looked like. A realistic gym reset. How about that? Okay, a realistic gym reset. I tried my best to make it in like the earlier time, like 4 o'clock for you guys. But I blame my husband. He's late. He was late picking me up. So by the time I reach the gym, warm up, it's late. It's late. But guys, give me a round of applause for those of you who know Chev. And you know my channel, you've been here. You know that taking up my camera recording in front of people is something that I really, really struggle with. And listen, I did my best to record as much as possible. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Today is Thursday and I am currently at 511 subscribers. Thank you so much to all my beautiful subscribers, my handsome subscribers. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Sorry guys, I have a bedtime alarm, so I should be in bed now. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and then get to bed. So see you guys in the next video.